Hello everyone, today I will cook fried noodles. Fried noodles is famous local food in Hong Kong. It is also delicious, convenient and easy to cook. The ingredients include noodles, beef, eggs, spring onion, soy sauce and a little bit of sugar. First, fry the egg. And then cut them into strips. Next, cut the spring onion into pieces. Then, wash the beef, add seasoning and wait for 30 minutes. While we are waiting, we can prepare the sauce by mixing soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sugar. Then, turn on the fire. Add oil to the frying pan. And wait the oil become hot. Add the beef to the frying pan and fry it until well done. Pick up the beef and keep it. Now let's start cooking the noodles. First, add some oil and put the spring onion into the pan to prevent the noodles from sticking to the bottom. Then add the noodles into the pan. Add a small amount of water and sauce. And stir fry it until soft. Add egg and beef into the pan and stir fry it. Finally, put the fried noodles on the plate and it's done. Add some chili sauce to make it more delicious. The noodles are very tasty. The beef is tender and delicious. Everyone should try it. That's the end of the cooking video. Thank you.